any type of Indian cuisine, especially when we're making curries and vegetables. We are vegetarians, but you can also add these to any other meats. So here is the coriander powder with fennel that we made. We have some salt. We have fresh red chilies that we have grounded. This is such basic cumin seeds that are involved all the time. Here is a garam masala, and the recipe is, we will link it below, that we made. And then here is some turmeric powder. It is organic. It's your choice if you want everything organic or not. That's a personal choice. Now let's take it. We're just going to wash them thoroughly. That's it. Now that's it. I have cleaned my Brussels sprouts and cut the edges, and I'm going to cut them further. Here's some ginger, some chilies, green chilies, half a lemon, and some coriander leaves. They're used in every single recipe of Indian cuisine. Okay, so I've been cutting the Brussels sprouts into 4 pieces. Very easy to do. I'm going to continue and finish cutting the rest of the Brussels sprouts and my ginger and my chili, and I will show you the end result. So here I've cut everything. Our chilies into round, ginger into mini juliennes, and our Brussels sprouts ready to start cooking. Okay, so in a pan on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I have some grape-seed oil. You can use some ghee, coconut oil. That's up to you. That's it. You can see it's starting to get hot. Just for 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of water and just that's is just cover it and leave it.